Quip notify the professor. I can see something on the radar.
Arm the ship. Load the lasers and prepare to fight. I think the Earthlings have spotted us. I can see battleships headed our way.
Who has notified the professor? We must break through the atmosphere in the next 15 seconds or the ship will not stand to the pressure.
Professor. Professor Whitfield, do you copy? Repeat, do you copy? We are under attack. Repeat, we are under attack.
Prepare your stations. We have been hit. I repeat, prepare your stations, we have been hit. Where is the professor? We have to land this ship to Earth. We are not going to make it.
I cannot locate Professor Whitfield. Good dog radio. The hatch was open and the jetpack gone.
Professor Whitfield has left the ship.
Just brace yourself, we have been hit. We'll come back for the professor.